We considered buying a winnower with a series of mesh sizes, but in the end contracted Southwest Seeds to clean our crops for us on the farm, the cleaner arriving on a lorry. Southwest Seeds clean crops for seed production, which means they clean the seed to a standard that is fit for human consumption and remove nearly all of the weed seeds, apart from any that are a similar size to the crop. However, as a seed cleaning company mainly for the non-organic market, they also dress seed, which is a chemical treatment. In order to ensure that we didn't end up with chemicals on our harvest, we invariably had to wait until Southwest Seeds had cleaned all of the crops in the local area. They would then clean down their machine before cleaning our harvest. This meant that we didn't get the crop cleaned straight after harvest and had to dry it first to stabilise it. Not ideal, as we were inevitably drying the weeds too. Southwest Seeds weighed each dumpy bag and the waste, so we were able to calculate our yield per acre. Once this was done, we made laminated labels to identify each dumpy bag with the following information recorded: the crop and variety, date, farm and weight of each bag. We also recorded the weight of the waste. This varied generally between 15 and 30%. Variations will be influenced by how well the combine is set up for the individual crop type, how ripe the crop is, as a riper crop will drop more onto the field, the crop type, for instance the chaff from e.g. wheat, will be partially cleaned out in the combine and further removed by the cleaner, but this isn't the case for oats, spelt or einkorn. How well the cleaner is set up for the individual crop type, the amount of small-sized grain we were trying to save, and therefore the amount of weed we had to accept, the weediness of the field. We had to pay for Southwest Seeds to go to different farms, which was costly, but cheaper than transporting all of our harvests to one place.